Well, hello, welcome to Baked Baking. It's a show where I bake baked. And here I am. And what am I baking today? Well, I am baking a plantain pancake baked, which I think is just a plantain cake at that point. I don't really know. We're making a thing. We're gonna put it all together and it's gonna be delicious. So let's go. Okay, so let's start with ingredients. Flour, sugar, baking powder, and an egg. Look, we have eggs this week. Oh, and some vanilla extract. Wait, is there supposed to be a liquid in this? Like milk or water or something? I don't remember seeing that. I think this is all you need. Fuck, okay. We're gonna go with it. We're gonna see what happens. Oh, and also because it's plantain pancake, we're adding plantains. So as far as measurements go, I think we're gonna do fine with guesstimations. I think this is honestly how you learn, is by trial and error and practice. So we're gonna use a quarter measuring cup and we're just gonna go until we feel like we're done with going. So we are gonna start with 1.5 cups of flour. And then to that we add the quarter cup of sugar, because I feel like we went a little overboard with the sugar last time, so we're cutting back. So I'm just gonna take a little spoon, put a little tip in there, and that's, nope. So I'm just gonna take baking powder. And then the last of our dry ingredients is the cinnamon. There has to be milk or something in this. It can't just be one egg and all that. That can't be right. There's milk. I'm gonna get milk. So I'm thinking about it, and I'm thinking that before I get the batter ready, I'm gonna get the plantains ready. And so I'm gonna, and then to the plantains. This is really like calming. So now that all my ingredients are actually ready, we're gonna start putting them all together. We're adding the liquid to the dry, which is the vanilla extract, the egg, and the milk. Let's do it. The flour flew everywhere. That was such a bad idea. Oh, it's okay. It's just more cleaning. Let's add a little vanilla. Sure. It's probably not enough to kill you. Maybe should have measured that. Also, definitely should have shaken it because it is oat milk. But I forgot. Hi! Oh, the cat wants some love. That's cute. Hi, cat. Hi, sweet angel baby. Hi. Okay, so I've definitely added more milk as it was getting quite thick. Maybe, I think it's actually turning out really perfect. Very excited about this. Maybe even another egg, because there is a lot of flour to start. There's a lot of flour to start with. I'm gonna do one more egg. We're adding an additional egg. And we're also adding more oat milk, but we're gonna shake it this time. Yeah, pancake batter. Yeah, pancake batter. Yeah, that feels really pancakey. And then I think I am gonna just add the honey as an additional sweetener. Maybe that'll just be a topping. Decisions. Okay. That might have been too much. Then I think I'm gonna mix about half of the plantains in now. And then the other half I will mix in as I put them in to bake. And I'm gonna kind of mix them up, and maybe there'll be a little bit of crushing action involved in the mixing. We'll see how it goes. All right, so as that is ready, oh, we didn't preheat the oven. Preheat the oven. And now it is time for a brief intermission. All right, and our intermission is over, and the oven is preheated to 350, which feels appropriate for a cake type thing. And I think this is gonna bake for at least 25 minutes, to be honest, because I'm kind of feeling very professional right now. I'm gonna put like a plantain flour on the top, and I'm wondering if I should put it on the top or the bottom because it's glass, so I could maybe flip it out. Do you put butter in pancakes? Did I forget about that? No, you don't put butter in pancakes, do you? Melted butter. Maybe that's what's, okay, we're just gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Okay, let's go. Okay, I think that's good for the bottom. So the bottom is gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Like that. And then I'm gonna pour in the batter and then I'm gonna put some on top and we'll see if they even stay. All right, let's do it. Okay, and we need like a squeegee. Here we go. Here, oh, I think that totally moved my little flower petals. Just completely moved them. That's fine. It's okay. Honestly, it's okay. And now we put it in the oven and we let it bake for, I'm gonna say 25 minutes. And if that's too much, we will have burned it. All right, and we'll come back and we'll see how it's doing. Okay, let's go. Okay, and here is our final product, the Plantain pancake with butter and honey. Ain't it pretty? Okay, let's try it. It's like a big pancake. I think it maybe needs to cook a little longer though. It's kind of not done. Or maybe it just needs to cool. Tastes good though.